Hi guys, now we are going to solve this nice olympiad problem. X to the power x is equal to 1 upon 32th root of 2. We had to find out the value of x. What we had to do here you can x to the power x is given to be 1 over 32th root of 2 is given. You know that suppose you have root a is given or 1 over root a is given, you can write this to be root of 1 over a. You can write like this, isn't it? So the same formula we apply here. This term is equal to 32th root of 1 over 2, you can write it. Okay, so after that what we had to do is, here this 32 root we had to write it in different way. So for that we write it to be nth root of a can be written as a to the power 1 upon a. You can write like this, isn't it? So we are using the idea here. So here we can write this to be 1 over 2 whole to the power 1 over 32. Okay, so using this formula, nth root of a can be written as a to the power of 1 over a. So the same idea we are using here also. Okay, so now we had to somewhat find out the value of x. Here x to the power x is given, so we have to rewrite this also the same power here. Here the same thing and here is the same thing. Then we can equate the terms and we can easily get the value of x. For that what we had to do is try to make these two terms are equal. How it is possible is, just write this to be 1 over 2 whole to the power. Here without changing this value, you just multiply and divide by 1, 2. Okay, you can write this. Okay. So here and also you can write this to be 1 by 2 whole to the power 2. You take this to here and times 1 over 2 times 32. You can write like this. Okay. And after that you have b to the power mn is equal to b to the power m whole to the power n. You can write this way also. Okay, so we are using this formula here. Okay, so which is equal to, here we rewrite this term to be here, which is 1 by 2 whole to the power half whole to the power 1 over this 2 times 32 is 64, applying this formula. Okay, so which is equal to, here you can write this to be 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4. So 1 over 4 whole to the power 1 by 64. Okay, so we had to make these two terms to be same. So for that again we do the same process. So 1 over 2 and here you have to multiply and divide by 2 times 64. Again you have to combine these terms, 1 by 4 the whole squared whole to the power 1 over 64 into 2, you have 128, you can say. Okay, so which is equal to 1 over 1, here 1 4 squared is 16. So 1 over 16 whole to the power 1 over 128. Here also the sames are not same. So again we do the same process, just multiply and divide by 1, 2 in the power. So 1 over 16, sorry. So here also we had to do the same thing. So we have 1 over 16 whole to the power 1 over 128. We had to make this term to be same. So not at all this here. So again we have to do the same process. 1 over 16, 2 by whole to the power 2 over 2 times 1 over 128. So again we have to combine these two terms, 1 over 16 whole to the power 2, and this term is combined here, 1 over 2 times 128 is 256, which is equal to 1 over 1 squared is 1, 16 squared is 256 whole to the power 1 over 256. Finally, we achieved both the terms are same. So, x to the power x is equal to, here also same thing, here also same thing. So, we can say that x is equal to 1 over 256, which is our required answer. Okay, now we will check whether our answer is correct or not. Here x is equal to 1 over 256. X to the power x is equal to 1 over 256 whole to the power 1 over 256. This 256 can be written as 2 to the power 8. Okay, 2 to the power 8 is 256 whole to the power 1 over 256. Or you can write this to be, you can take this 8 to the whole to the power. So 1 by 2 whole to the power 8. You can write 1 over 2 power 8 can be written as 1 by 2 whole to the power 8 times 1 over 256. Here we have, this is 32 times 8 is 256. So 1 over 2 whole to the power 1 over 32. Or you can write this to be, this is using this formula, you know that n to the power a is equal to a to the power 1 over n. So here we have 1 over n. Here in the place of n you have 32. So you can write this to be, this way you can write it. So 32 to the power root 32th root of 2a here is 2 here. So 32th root of 2 we can write it. And here we have 1 over is there. Okay, 1 over 32th root of 2. This is our required problem. So we can get the required answer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos.